Hello, we've been asked to calculate the area of the shaded region in green in two different ways. I had to make up numbers because I wasn't given a drawing, so I'm going to give you the best example I can. So what we're looking at is one method is to take the area of the large rectangle that I highlighted in red let's fix that to a subtraction sign and subtract the area of the square. So in our case, the area of the large rectangle would be 6 by 8. And the area of the square is a 4 by 4, which is going to give us 48 minus 16, which equals 32 square units of whatever type they were. Now, the